Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Impossibur puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Oscar van Deventer, famous Dutch puzzle designer. Difficulty level of the puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the object is to take it apart, mix all the parts and then assemble them back into this interesting shape. And if you take a closer look at this puzzle at a right angle, you will find why it has its name, since probably it's gonna be something like this. It looks like a triangle which is connected in a weird places, but if you take a close look from the side, you will see that each part has a shape of a lightning, that what creates this very interesting shape that looks like an impossible object at a right angle. If you like Impossibur puzzle, probably you're gonna like some other great 3D printed puzzles by Oscar van Deventer. You may find them at puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching.